So this is my package from Zara and let's take a look what's inside. Louis Beer! This is the first item I ordered. It's a beautiful dress and I really was inspired by Lady Gaga in House of Gucci. The polka dots are super cute and I love the puffy sleeves and the neckline, very elegant. I'm always cold, but I just couldn't resist ordering this dress. The floral print is just beautiful, so I had to order this dress and the bag is completely open. It's also not a dress, but it's a play suit. I did discover it while trying it on, so yeah, whoops, my bad. The next item was inspired by Kim Kardashian. I've watched Keeping Up with the Kardashians for way too many seasons and now I ordered a Bodycon dress and I must admit the turtleneck is really tight, and we will see what happens when I wear this for a longer time than 5 minutes. By the way, I also got this dress in blue because it's the exact same color as my boots. You may have seen it in another video, my shoe shopping spree, and it's a beautiful color. I really love it and it matches my boots perfectly. It's a super soft button-up shirt and the sleeves are really special, as you can see. It's almost like a crop top because it's really short, but I really like it. And that's it. That's everything I got from Zara and I hope to see you again next week for another video. Bye bye! Say bye bye!